Alright. I think this is the right place, so... Locks Incorporated? Yeah, okay, yeah. So, basically, I'm just here to, fix up this so-called house, so... It's literally just a factory that's been on mortgage for, like, 3 whole years, if I count, though? Whatever. It got purchased, though, and I guess I'm just being hired to, fix the place up, as you can see. Before we begin, let's take a look at our today's sponsors. We have, the color green, Bob Denver playing, the accordion, and... Oh, wait, that's... Okay, I'll be honest, we don't talk about this one. Let's just move on. Okay, just came in, and, wow. Yeah, that is, like, 15 different violations. There's, like, clear signs of water damage, electrical disruption, this, you know. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna just, stand back a little bit. Okay, there we go, now we can do this. So, if I remember this correctly, I just gotta, like, prepare the roof, structure, support beams, like, alright, got it, though. So, yeah, I think we could do this pretty simply. I mean, I have the resources available, so all we gotta do is just, walk and talk this out, though. So... the storage area. A lot of this is just full of abandoned cargo. Real shame, too. You know, the factory that they used to make this kind of gave a lot of blocks, so quite a lot for, you know, for its time, huh? But I mean, I guess that's what happens when you set your foundations in the middle of, like, a hotspot for a storm. You know, a lot of people say, but it's like the consequences for challenging nature, but honestly, I think it's just like really terrible business planning, if you get what I mean. I think that's it, huh? Yeah. Told me to not touch the plants. Alright, we can move on from here. Wait, what's that sound? Let me just check up. Oh, so that's where all the royalty-free music is coming from. Okay, then. Oh yeah, so, this place used to be dedicated towards, you know, letting the employees rest, but, you know, ever since the client and his teammates took over, they kind of just, repurposed it into this weird yet oddly cozy space. I should probably, like, get back to work. Stop staring, that's, like, weird. And this is it, though. I think this is the place, I think he calls it the Greenie House, if I remember. You know, what with all the weird plants that are kind of here. And if you're wondering, oh god, why this place isn't falling down, heck if I know. Maybe it might just be the giant flower that's towering over me, or this smiley, creepy mushroom. But, yeah, whatever. I'm pretty sure that this place is, naturally sound, you know, despite this, So, yeah, I think that's a good job well done, If I check here, yeah, I've successfully done it, though. I fixed up everything. I'm pretty sure the crew could, like, sleep by this point, though. Safe to say, this job is certainly finished.
You mean, certainly finished?
Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Kill it! Kill it! Fire! Kill it!